Welcome to this one video. And this one video is going to talk about the context of what is going to be in day number 3, and we'll be having 5, 6 total 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 total 7 videos in this one day. 7 videos I'm going to record for you, but you're going to have internal videos we are going to discuss in upcoming videos like this. You're going to record more videos than what I record, because I'm going to give you like each phase. Maybe you'll be having like a video, 2 videos, 3 videos, and depending on like we're going to talk about it. But then for me, we are next going to have 7 videos for day number 3. Starting this video, this one video is going to be the context of what are we going to cover in day number 3 overall surface level, and the next video you are going to be watching is day 3.0, 3.1, 3.2. So the next upcoming videos are going to be day 3.0, 3.1, so that you can search for this term in the keyword in this channel, so that you can get the next steps. So the day number 3, by the way, thank you so much for joining this one cool video. We are going to talk about day number 3, what goes in day number 3. We've already done day number 1, 2, and now we are going to have what goes the framework strategies, tactical part of it, and the formulas that you can actually take it, write it down, make a course out of it, and start selling. Make the money and make an impact. All in that flow. Now, day 3 is the conclusion of your main course. That's the bottom line. You finish day number 1, people have finished day number 2. Now, day number 3 has to end with a bang. And when we talk about day number 3, the day number 3 also is a very important day where you're going to take them forward in the whole journey. Now, day number 3 is not the end of the level. Day number 3 is not end of the level. The day number 3 is an end of the course. Towards the end of day 3, we are going to have a sales pitch that's going to take them to the next level. That's one point. Second point is, even if people are not going to get to the next level, they have got different bonuses that they have to consume in this level in itself. Now, they are just 3 days old in this community, your community, right? So they're just 3 days old, but they need to be watching. Probably someone might get into a different level. That's one part of it. The second part of it is, now they need to be watching it. Say if you say the core level of the Academy of Art Scientists, what happens is the core level in itself is 16 days. You can join in the next level, the artist level, anytime. But as per the formula works, you can have a sales pitch towards the end, and also you can either get to it, or you can complete watching the whole courses that's already there for you and then join it. It's up to you. But the context of it is, you're ending this day with a bang, so that you let people know there is another level. Point number 1. Point number 2, there are already levels, already courses that you've already invested in. You can also watch that. So in day number 3, it's more on the lines of more content. You're going to teach them a lot of things, make them work a lot of things, and you're going to share them phases of journey, and you're going to pitch them and taking them to the next level. And what in essence is going to be day number 3.0, the next video that we're going to talk about is going to be the elements of whatever you niche, elements of, for example, elements of getting abs. Okay. Any cool stuff you need to add. That's phase number 2. Phase number 3 is about the investments they need to do. Like, for example, if someone wants to get abs, like what is the investment they need to be making? 1, time. You need to make sure that this land in them. Like, you need to be giving it time. You cannot be working for 5 minutes a day and be expecting abs towards the end of a month. You cannot do that. It's like 5 minutes and in 24 hours. Like, you need to make them plan. Investment number 1. Investment number 2 is, you need to be investing in something, either your clothes, the gear, the yoga mat, something like whatever superpower you've got. Like, they need to be. I cannot be learning calligraphy with a pencil. I can do that, but the basics is that. But then the shade will not come in the pencil. I don't know much about it, but then I don't think it will come that. अगर आता है तो you know what the investments are. So investments in 3.2, 3.3 is going to be the phase of the journey. Then 3.4 is going to be, if you've got any specific one-to-one calls or group calls, we're going to cover that. And phase 3.5, we're going to talk about the next steps. How can you craft it, structure it, and how can you take them to the next level? We're going to talk about that. That brings us to the conclusion of this one video, and in depth we're going to talk about in the next video. You can search for day 3.0. Now, this was like an index for the whole video, whole day, like what is going to like index for the whole day. And the next video you're going to talk about exploring day 3.0. What are the formulas that you need to be putting in